This metal in the accident, it actually stretches a little bit. Guys, if you like cars the way I like cars, you would appreciate this. Listen. Mad! Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. In this episode, we're getting stuck into the 4 series, so if that's something you want to see, make sure you stay tuned. As you've seen in the last episode, I dropped the car into the garage. I've left Akil to do the bodywork whilst I nip out to the local parts store. I'm going to drive down to my local breakers, grab the door, and then we're going to get back and then see how far Akil's gotten. So, let's go grab the door. There you have it, guys. It's been about an hour and a half drive there, hour and a half drive back, so I've been gone for about 3 hours. Let's get the door inside and see how far Akil's gotten. There we have it, guys. I got a complete door, but look at all the work that Akil's done whilst I was gone. But before I show you this, look at this beast. Akil, what have you done to this today? You installed this one, didn't you?
I don't remember.
Oh my guys, take it. Crazy. Mad. What a beast. Crazy. You're sick of it. Mad. Right, back to the 4 series. I want to drive that car. How would you like to see that car versus the C63? That is a possibility. Stay tuned. Subscribe to see what happens. Guys, I had to do it. We had to bring out the C6 versus the what? Had to. What you say? He's trying to outdo me. What exhaust is on this?
SVR.
SVR?
Yeah,
oh
the first one in UK.
Guys, they've put Range Rover SVR exhaust on a BMW M5. That is mad. First ever Range Rover SVR exhaust on a BMW M5. Top that. Guys, it's only right that I get to see what this beast can do. Check it out. We installed this steering wheel, but it's not wired in yet, so we're gonna wire it in and get it all ready. Mad. Nigga so guys, this thing is so brutal. Guys, if you like cars the way I like cars, you would appreciate this. Listen. Mad! Oh my God, guys, this thing. Yeah, I need one of these in my life. Crazy. The back just went. I'm done. Too much. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of fun. I surely enjoyed it. But we're back on the 4 series. Check this out. So like I was saying before I went out, whilst I was away today, I got to starting on the bodywork. Now, you see when you push this metal in the accident, it actually stretches a little bit. So it takes a lot to work it back out. And if you have a look, it's actually longer now. So the metal has stretched, so we have to do some work on that. And we'll continue to do some work on that. But check this out. The way we got it out is we went from the backside, stripped down the interior of the car, and then that gave us access to the panel from the reverse, and then we can beat it out and stuff like that. We're going to be continuing the bodywork. I've got a few more bits to do on the suspension, a few sensors that are coming in the post and what's not, but how crazy is that M5? Let's continue. But before I do that, I want to remind you guys that I'm having a Salvage Nation raffle on this beautiful car right there. It's a 2010 LCI BMW 325i automatic. It's fully loaded. If you haven't seen the rebuild on that, I'll put a card up above. There are about 20 episodes. I've done so much work onto that car, and you can own that car if you go to accesscompetitions.co.uk and purchase a raffle ticket for £15. However, they're doing specials on right now, so head on over to the website, purchase some tickets, and we'll be doing a live draw very soon, and I'll be delivering this car to one of you lucky people. Let's continue. Right guys, so this is the door that I picked up. I went down to my local breakers. I phoned ahead and they had it, RLL Autos, if anyone ever needs any parts in the East London area. They're really good. But what I want to show you is this door is a complete door. As you can see right at the top, it's got the glass right there sitting inside, all the mechanisms, everything inside. So that means I don't need to do any of that. I just need to spray the inside of the door, buckle it up with the new panel, and then this is good to go. So we'll be installing this on the car and making sure that we use the new door to help us line up with our bodywork on the rear panel. And yeah, that's how it's gonna go. But it's getting super late. The day has gotten away from us. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Right guys, so it's the next day. It's a bit noisy inside, so I've come outside to film. There's a lot of work that's gone down. So let's go inside and see how far we've gotten with the BMW 4 Series. Guys, take a look at that finish. We went ahead and we sprayed the rear quarter, sprayed the outside of the door, and it's still fresh. We've just finished painting it, so I'm not gonna touch it. Tell me what you think of this. I told you we're gonna be blitzing through this build really quickly, and this is it, we're almost finished. I've got something really special for the alloys. If you remember, earlier on in the episode, and in the previous episode, we had a broken alloy in the front and a broken alloy in the back. I've got a fresh set of alloys coming in, and oh my God, they're gonna set this car off. So if you wanna see that, make sure you smash the subscribe button and tune into the very next episode where we're gonna be fully completing this build. It's a 3-part series, really quick, in and out. Hope you enjoy that. So this is where we're gonna be ending this episode. And like I always say, guys, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. Today we're getting straight crap. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode from Salvage. This episode is back on the... Oh, my back. Today we're cracking straight... Pitching your toes. We mean business. Let's go. In this episode we're getting stuck into the BMW 430. We're getting it. Guys, first time driving the AMG 45. I get pulled by the police.
You're too excited, you're driving too quick, weren't you?
Nah, I wasn't driving quick, mate. It's alright. I've just, as you've seen in the last episode, I took the car. Now I've left Akil to start the. We're gonna get back and then see how far Akil's gotten. So, like I always say, guys, keep it moving.